Welcome to 10th Mathematics, the chapter Quadratic Equation. In this class, we shall understand nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Before going to understand the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation, first we solve three quadratic equations. In that, first take down one quadratic equation. First one, consider. Now consider the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation x square minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. First we solve. We get the roots of the quadratic equation by using the formula. This is of the form. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Here the coefficients of a, b and c. A, b and c are a equals 1, b equals -2 and c equals 1. Next, write the formula x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Put the values of a, b and c in the formula. X equals minus, here minus 2 is there, so put in inside the bracket minus of minus 2 plus or minus square root of b square is minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a value is 1 and c is 1 by 2 into a value is 1. X equals minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 whole square minus 2 into minus 2, it is plus 4. 2 to the 4 plus 4 minus 4 1 the 4, 4 1 the 4, minus into plus minus into plus minus 4. Here 2 1 the 2. Next, x equals 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 4, 0 by 2. X equals 2 plus or minus square root of 0, 0 by 2. Next, write separately positive and negative roots. X equals 2 plus 0 by 2 or x equals 2 minus 0 by 2. X equals 2 plus 0, 2 by 2 or x equals 2 minus 0, 2, 2 by 2. 2 1 the 2 1 the 2 1 the 2 1 the. X equals 1 by 1, 1 or x equals 1 by 1, 1. Here roots are equal, therefore roots are equal. Roots are equal. Next, we consider another quadratic equation. Consider the quadratic equation x square minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Now solve this equation. This is of the form quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Here the coefficients of a, b, c are a equals, here a equals 1, b equals -2 and c equals -3. Write the formula x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Next, put the values in the formula. Values of ABC. X equals minus b value is -2. In the place of b, put -2. Minus of -2 plus or minus square root of b square -2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into b value. Sorry, c value is -3. It is also a minus. So taken inside the bracket -3 by 2 into a value is 1. X equals minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus square root of -2 whole square. -2 into -2, yes, minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. 4 minus into minus plus plus into plus plus 4 3s are 12, 2 1s are 2. Dear students, x equals 2 plus or minus 4 plus 12, 16, square root of 16 by 2. X equals 2 plus or minus root 16, value of root 16 is 4 by 2. X equals 2 plus or minus 4 by 2. Next, write two values of x. X equals 2 plus 4 by 2. 2 plus 4 by 2 or x equals 2 minus 4 by 2. 2 minus 4 by 2. X equals 2 plus 4, 6 by 2 or x equals 2 minus 4 minus 2 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 1s are. X equals 3 or x equals minus divided by plus minus 1. Here roots are different, roots are distinct, therefore roots are distinct. Take them. We shall consider third one. Consider the quadratic equation x square minus 2x plus 3 equals 0. Solution. Therefore, this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Here, coefficients of a, b and c are a equals 1, b equals -2 and c equals 3. Write the formula. X equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac x equals minus of b value -2 minus of -2 plus or minus square root of b square -2 whole square -4 into a value is 1 and b value is 3 plus 3. 2 into by 2 into a value is 1. X equals minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus square root of -2 whole square is 4 minus 4 over 4 3 is 12 by 2. X equals 2 plus or minus square root of plus 4 minus 12 is minus 8 by 2. X equals 2 plus or minus square root of minus 8 can be written as product of one positive term and a negative term. One should be a perfect square number. 4 into minus 2 plus into minus 4 to the 8. Next, x equals 2 plus or minus the numerator 2 plus or minus here square root of 4 it is 2 inside the bracket remaining is minus 2 by 2. Next, x equals in the numerator common factor is 2. Here it is 1, 2 1 the 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2. 2 into square root of minus 2 to square root of minus 2 by 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are. Therefore, x equals 1 plus or minus square root of minus 2. Therefore, x equals 1 plus square root of minus 2 or x equals 1 minus square root of minus 2. Therefore, roots are imaginary. We cannot express root minus 2. Therefore, roots are imaginary. Just take down. Now, take down note first. Note 1. First point, nature of the roots of quadratic equation depends upon the value of b square minus 4ac. It is the important thing. Nature of the root always depends on the value of b square minus 4ac. Next, second one, the expression b square minus 4ac is denoted by the symbol delta. B square minus 4ac is denoted by the symbol delta. Call it as delta, which determines the nature of the roots. It determines nature of the roots. Third one, in the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, the expression b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. 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 Once again, the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, the expression b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. We should remember. Write down. In the problem, just observe the value of b square minus 4ac. After substituting the values, we get 0. Finally, we get b square minus 4ac value is root 0 inside the root. B square minus 4ac equals 0. So, if delta equals b square minus 4ac equals 0, then roots are real and equal. Just observe the roots. X equals 1 and x equals 1. Roots are real numbers and they are equal. Are you clear? In this example, just observe the value of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. After substituting the values, then simplification. After the simplification, we get 16. It is greater than 0. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. In the previous example, there will be 0. There was 0, isn't it? Here 16, it is greater than 0. So, dear students, if b square minus 4ac equals greater than 0, b square minus 4ac is represented in the symbol delta. If it is greater than 0, nature of the roots of a quadratic equation are real and distinct. Just observe here, plus 3 and minus 1. They are not equal. They are distinct. Okay. Are you clear? Just observe the value of b square minus 4ac. After simplification, 4 minus 12, it is minus 8. Minus 8. B square minus 4ac equals minus 8. Inside the root, it is minus 8. It is less than 0. If b square minus 4ac equals delta, if it is less than 0, nature of the roots are imaginary. You should remember, if delta less than 0, nature of the roots are imaginary. Dear students, now take down note 2. Note 2. Here there is one table. Discriminant b square minus 4ac. Here in the right side, nature of the roots. If delta equals 0, what are the nature of the roots? Roots are real and equal. You should remember, if delta equals 0, delta is discriminant. B square minus 4ac is the discriminant. If delta equals 0, nature of the roots are real and equal. If delta greater than 0, it means positive. Roots are positive. Nature of the roots are real and distinct. You should remember, if delta greater than 0, nature of the roots are real and distinct. If delta less than 0, negative. Less than 0 means the values are negative. Nature of the roots are imaginary. Should remember, if delta less than 0, roots are imaginary. Dear students, now we consider one or two examples to understand nature of the roots. Okay, here first problem. Determine the nature of the roots of the equation 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. Solution. Consider the equation 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. This is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Here a equals coefficients of a is 4. In the place of a 4, coefficient of x square, not a is the coefficient, it is coefficient of x square. Here x square coefficient is 4, this is the value of a. Here b equals minus 4 and c is the constant, it is 1. We put the values in the discriminant. We already know b square minus 4ac is the discriminant. Okay. Now take down delta equals b square minus 4ac. Delta equals b value is minus 4. Minus 4 whole square minus 4 into here a value is 4 and c is 1. A value is 4 and c value is 1. Delta equals minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 into minus 4 it is plus 16. Minus 4 for the 16 from the 16. Delta equals 16 minus 16 it is 0. Here delta, the discriminant b square minus 4ac is 0. Therefore roots are real and equal. This is nature of the roots of the equation 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. Now consider second problem. Determine the nature of the roots of the equation 2x squared minus 5x minus 1. This is the second example. Solution. Consider the equation 2x squared minus 5x minus 1 equals 0. This is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Here the coefficients of x squared, x and the constant c are here a equals 2, b equals minus 5 and c equals minus 1. Therefore, now we have taken delta equals b square minus 4ac. This is the discriminant. Delta equals b square minus 4ac is the discriminant. Now put the values of a, b, c in the discriminant. B value minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a, it is 2 and c minus 1. Delta equals minus 5 whole square. Minus 5 into minus 5 it is plus 25. 5 5 is 25. 25 minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus 4 2 is 8, 8 1 is 8. Delta equals 25 plus 8, it will be 33. 25 plus 8, it is 33. Therefore, delta is equal to 33 is greater than 0. Therefore, roots are real and distinct. We already learned that if delta is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. Now we shall take exercise 10.4. In the first one, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real root exists, find them. Solution. Consider the equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals 0. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Here a equals coefficient of x square, a equals 2, coefficient of x, b equals what? Here it is minus 3 and constant c equals 5. Next, consider discriminant. Delta equals b square minus 4ac. Delta equals b equals minus 3. Put minus 3 in the place of b. Minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a equals 2 and c equals 5. Delta equals minus 3 whole square, minus into minus plus, 3 3s are 9, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 40. Delta equals 9 minus 40. Bigger term has minus, so I write minus. Subtract plus 9 from minus 40, it is minus 31. Minus 31 is less than 0. It is less than 0. So roots are real and imaginary. Therefore, roots are real and imaginary. Roots are real and imaginary. Consider second one. Solution. 3x square minus 4 root 3 x plus 4 equals 0. This is of the form. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Here a equals 3, b equals minus 4 root 3 and c equals 4. Next, consider the discriminant. Delta equals b square minus 4ac. Delta equals b value minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a value is 3 and c value is 4. Delta equals minus 4 root 3 whole square means square applied both minus 4 and root 3 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. Here delta equals minus 4 whole square, minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16, square and root get cancelled into 3 delta equals 16 threes are 48 minus 48. Therefore, delta equals 0. If delta equals 0, here roots are equal. Roots are equal. Now find the roots. So here we have taken formula x minus x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X equals, this is the formula. In that we put the values. X equals minus of minus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a value is 3 and c value is 4 by 2 into a value is 3. X equals minus into minus plus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of minus 4 whole square 16. Square and root get cancelled. It is 3 minus 4 3s are 12. 4s are 48 by 2 3s are 6. Then next x equals 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of 16 3s are 48 minus 48 by 6. X equals 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of 48 minus 48, it is 0 by 6. X equals 4 root 3 plus or minus 0 by 6. X equals 4 root 3 by 6 plus 0, or x equals 4 root 3 minus 0 by 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Here x is equal to 2 root 3 plus 0 means 2 root 3 as it is by 3, or x equals 2 root 3 by 3. These are the two roots of the given equation. Here x equals 2 root 3 by 3 or x equals 2 root 3 by 3. Also you can written as x equals 2 root 3 by root 9. Root 9 value is 3, or x equals 2 root 3 by root 9. Root 9 value is 3, or it can another method, it can be expressed as 2 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 means root 9, or x equals 2 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is equal to root 9. Here root 3 get cancelled, root 3 ones are, root 3 ones are, root 3 get cancelled. In the next step, x equals 2 by root 3, or x equals 2 by root 3. Roots are equal. This is the simplest form of the roots. Dear students, try yourself third one. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equals 0. Okay dear students, remaining problems in the exercise 10.4 will be discussed in the next class. Okay, thank you.